Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term Enlightenment. Introduction. The Enlightenment was a significant intellectual movement and cultural ambience that emerged in Western Europe during the 17th century and flourished in the 18th century. At its core, the Enlightenment emphasized the power of human reason to solve crucial problems and establish essential norms in life. The movement embraced the belief that reason could dispel the darkness of superstition, prejudice, and barbarity, liberating humanity from the blind reliance on authority and unexamined tradition. This newfound reliance on reason opened the path to progress, envisioning a world of universal peace and happiness. Diverse notions of reason. Within the Enlightenment, different thinkers held varying conceptions of reason. For some, the inductive procedure of science, which involved reasoning from empirical evidence to general laws, served as the model for reason. Others, notably Descartes and his followers, viewed reason primarily as a deductive tool, capable of deriving particular truths from clear and distinct ideas known intuitively through the light of reason. Many Enlightenment thinkers relied on both forms of reason in their works. Evolution of Enlightenment thought. The Enlightenment thought and worldview evolved differently in various countries. In England, the lineage of Enlightenment ideas can be traced from Francis Bacon through John Locke to thinkers like William Godwin. In France, it developed from Descartes to Voltaire and others involved in the publication of encyclopediae. In Germany, it originated with Leibniz and reached its pinnacle with Immanuel Kant's critical philosophy. Kant's famous essay, What is Enlightenment?, defined it as the liberation of mankind from his self-caused state of minority and the attainment of maturity, allowing individuals to rely on their understanding without external assistance. Influence of Enlightenment in America. The principles of the French and English Enlightenment also made their mark in America. Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson were prominent figures representing these ideas. The Enlightenment influence extended to shaping the founding documents of the United States, including the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Conclusion. The Enlightenment remains a pivotal period in intellectual history, promoting the value of human reason as a force for progress and social advancement. It sparked the emancipation of thought from dogma and contributed significantly to the formation of modern societies. Its legacy can be seen in various domains, including literature, science, politics, and philosophy, and continues to shape modern thought and discourse. So this was the discussion on the term Enlightenment. We will meet in the next video with some other term. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. And until the next video, bye bye and thank you.